Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to use Dubsado to automate your client invoices and save hours for a manual work. Now let's get started. First, log into your Dubsado account if you don't have one yet. You can sign up for a free trial on their website. Once you're in, navigate to Templates section and select Invoice Templates. Here, you can design a professional invoice that matches your brand. Add your logo, color, payment terms, and necessarily any fields like due dates or late fees. Next, set up automated payments reminders. Go to email templates and create a series of emails for when invoices is sent, when it's almost due, and when it's overdue. Dubsado can automatically send this based on the invoice status. Now, connect your payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. This allows clients to pay directly from the invoice with a click. To fully automate the process, use workflows. Create a workflow that triggers when a client signs a contract or a project is approved. The workflow can automatically generate and send the invoices, apply the correct payment schedule, and even follow up if needed. You can also set up recurring invoices for retailer clients. Dubsado will create and send the invoices on the schedule you say, monthly, quarterly, or custom intervals. Pro tip: use late capture forms on your website to automatically create a free client profile on Dubsado, which then triggers your invoices workflow seamlessly. And that's it. You're now automating your client invoicing with Dubsado. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments how you use Dubsado. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.